Alright guys, today is September 16, 2025, and today we lost quite a bit of money on our eval. Alright, so when I got on the charts, I marked down our London lows, Asia lows. Since Asia highs got swept, we also have this London high. Right here we can see the London low got swept, so let's take that out. And so yeah, for me, I was still bullish on the day. Like yesterday, what I wanted to see was since price is like so bullish, we wanted a rebalance and then continue higher. We could fill this gap and then continue higher, but if I see that we have a bullish confluences, then I'll take it because I am bullish for the day. Today was actually really hard. Pause on that. Alright, so here we are at open, and yeah, I'll just show you what the chart gives us, or what the market gives us. So what do I want to see? What I wanted to see was this low to be swept, continue higher. What was it? It was the 1 hour. Yeah, we had this 1 hour. I wanted price to get in here and bounce back. If not, then this fair value gap. And so here's the fair value gaps. What do we see? See that price swept this low. Let's see for a confluence to get higher. Right here we have a fair value gap, which I wanted to inverse but didn't. We filled this 1 hour. We also touched the lower one right here. And so I wanted price to bounce back up from that. So yeah, here we see this barely got inversed, so I didn't like that trade. We also have another one here. For this 1 hour, we're still in that range of like this could still be the wick and then it continues higher, hence why I'm still bullish here. But yeah, price just kept dumping and I still wanted to see bullish, so let's take this fair value gap out for now. We have this fair value gap that I wanted to inverse. I think it was the 2 minute actually, because I go off the higher time frame. Highest time frame, fair value gap. Yeah, 2 minute. So here, yeah, okay, so here I don't really know. Oh, okay, here. So I was basing my trade off the 2 minute fair value gap and I was watching it on the 1 minute. And so once this candle closed, that's when I entered, when I shouldn't have, and looked at the 2 minute, since I'm basing my fair value gap off the 2 minute. It did close higher, but I wanted a bullish candle. So that was my mistake, I think. And then we just dumped right after and hit my stop loss, which was these lows. And then I was targeting 15 minute to fill the 15 minute, so at least get like a retrace or something. And so yeah, I got stopped there. I did take 2 trades today. You want it? You guys can guess where my second trade is. My intuition was this setup isn't that bad, right? We swept, we filled like equilibrium of this high. We are at the premium and we swept Asia lows, so So I thought, hey, there's an unfilled here, and on the 15-minute there's also an unfilled here. We swept Asia lows, so liquidity, and we have this inverse we had here. So I'm pretty sure for me it was still a great setup, and so I basically like entered at the same tick, so we can just extend this. Okay, maybe not. Something like this on this 816 candle. I entered off that. I did want to de-risk. I believe my stops are here, and so yeah, we went up a bit and it just takes me out. We are still down on the day, and so I just hopped off the charts. To be honest, I shouldn't have traded. Man, price action like this week has been so ass. Yeah, you know, he could probably bounce back, and I'm hoping we can do the same for the rest of the week. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna be trading. I believe it is FOMC tomorrow. FOMC. We'll see. I'll probably be on the charts, but we'll see if we see a great setup. If not, then I'd rather preserve my my capital, trying to pass this funded. So yeah, today we lost $728. Here are my two trades. You know, but yeah, that's it for today. I don't know. I don't know if I'll trade tomorrow. We shall see. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow if ever. Peace.